feels weird. Like, I've never really done anything like this before. Like changing a tire, that was definitely a first. Now I kind of want to like change careers to like other things. Now seeing all the options that they have here.
It's important to expose students at an early age so that they have an opportunity to understand the different paths that they have in terms of their education, because it's not a one-size-fits-all.
One of the things that we try and do is we do our outreach to be able to expose kids to the trades as early as possible. So working on a transition plan for the NFSB, this is part of our action plan to be able to bring some information to our grade 6 students and get them going on this path as early as possible.
They show up at NOVA the day of, a bunch of buses, a bunch of students get off. We have them subdivided into groups. They have their tour leads and they basically do a tour of 8 stations. So our 15 trades here at NFSB are divided into the 8 stations.
Today I got to try welding for the first time.
I would consider this trade after coming here.
They've had a blast. They've all been super positive. They've brought back great feedback.
On essaie de leur montrer que c'est pas juste mathématiques, français, anglais, il y a d'autres choses. Puis là, ben, avec la sortie d'aujourd'hui, je pense qu'on ne prend pas, là.
Everything's really fun and I'm just learning new stuff as the day goes.
I liked the mechanics because it helped us learn how we do those things.
Here is the classroom where I'm showing everybody, we're teaching everybody how to repair and diagnose electric vehicles, plug-in hybrids. So it's a great school, you're in great hands, and hope to see you guys in like 10 years maybe.
We got to do a ton of fun activities and we didn't have to learn math.
So I feel like just showing them that trades are here and that they're very much so valued in society, like we need them, and that they're important, it kind of like opens up their perspective to be like, okay, well I can't, like even if I don't do trades, okay, cool, but I can come do trades and I can do something I love.
I think it was fun because we got to like do different things. Like for the auto, we got to like put the tires on. For hairdressing, we have like a competition to do the hair. I think it just kind of like showed us what we had to do for like if we were to come here in the future. But it kind of made it like more kid-friendly and fun.
The value that it brings is that it opens their eyes. The students can open their eyes to a new thing that they might have not thought of. And this is a hands-on trade. So if a student is not liking the desk work of school, they can also learn a hands-on trade over here.
Today's field trip made me think differently about trades.